Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your SEO client reporting in Agency Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your SEO client reporting in Agency Analytics, start by logging into your Agency Analytics account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your projects are displayed. Select the specific client project you wish to back up. On the Project Overview page, locate the Reports tab in the sidebar. Click on the Reports tab to access the different reporting options available. Choose the desired report you want to back up, such as organic traffic, keyword rankings, or backlink analysis. After selecting the report, look for the Export button, typically found at the top right corner of the report. Click on the Export button to reveal the export options. You'll see formats such as PDF, CSV, or Excel. Select the format that best suits your needs. For detailed data analysis, CSV or Excel is recommended. Next, choose any additional settings for the export, such as the report date range or specific metrics. After configuring your settings, click the Download button. The report will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's download folder. Open the downloaded file to ensure all the data is intact and correctly exported. To enhance your backup process, consider storing the files in a cloud storage solution for added security. Additionally, develop a regular schedule for backing up your reports, such as monthly or quarterly. Maintaining this practice ensures that your SEO client data is always secure and accessible. Review these reports periodically to stay informed about trends and performance metrics. This process will help you to always have reliable backups of your SEO client reporting in Agency Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.